Kia ora koutou! Welcome back to another skipping tutorial. I'm Sasha. Today I'm going to teach you a move that all kids want to learn. This is the move I get asked about the most and all kids want to learn how to do it. It's called the cross. Okay, so with the cross it can be a little bit tricky. So I'm going to say that first. So you may have to keep practicing it a little bit longer than some of the other moves that we've been doing. We are going to learn this to start with a toe catch though. So don't even worry about jumping. All we're going to do is do the arm movement. So we're in starting position. As we bring the rope over, we're going to cross our arms and try to catch it under our feet. I missed that one. That's okay. This is good though. It's going to show you where we're going to go wrong. So starting position, bring it over and cross, catch under the feet. Over, it comes over your head as it's coming down, cross the arms, try to catch under the feet. So a couple of things with the crossing of the arms. What we want to do is try to pretend we're giving ourselves a little hug, okay? So try to hug our hips, so not too high, and we want our arms to try to be as even as possible when they cross. So as we come over, hug our hips, give ourselves a little hug, like so. Oh, here we go. Got stuck there for a minute. Okay, let's do it again. That's the toe catch part of it. Keep practicing that until you are catching it under both toes. If you're catching it under one, what it generally means is that your arms aren't even. See how my arms crossed? Not quite even. They need to be crossed across the belly, across the tummy, the puku, quite evenly. So if you are catching it under one foot, kind of like that, see how it's a little bit crooked? What that means is when I try to jump through that loop, I'm going to cut across my body. So once you've got that toe catch down, you're catching it pretty comfortably in under 2 feet. Then the next move is to move on to trying to jump it. Stay with the toe catch until you have it down though. Here we go. We're going to jump it this time. So coming over the top, cross, jump, open out. Okay, so what happens here is we're in starting position. We come over, as we cross, see that loop there? We're going to try jump through that. So as it comes here, we give a little jump. Once we've made it through, if you can make it through, that's awesome to start with. Once we make it through, we need to keep rotating the rope, keep rotating those wrists so that the rope then comes back up over our heads and we open our arms out. Okay, this is tricky. There's lots of different parts to this move. So starting position, open. That's the tricky part. It can be a little bit hard. Let's take a look in slow-mo. There we go. Okay, so the things to remember with this, start with the toe catch. Once you've got it catching under both your toes, boop, then move on to trying to jump through. Starting position, give yourselves a hug, jump through, keep rotating until the rope comes up over your head and then open your arms out from the cross. To then do a basic bounce and a toe catch. Can be a little bit tricky. Stay at it, keep coming back to the video, keep following the tips. You'll have it down in no time. Ka kite anō.